Hi girly pups, welcome to Eryri National Park, the GOAT of all national parks. No cap, this is the year of conservation. Keeping Eryri amazing takes the whole team, farmers, foresters, volunteers, giving skippity teamwork vibes. Nature, serving main character energy, giving iconic. Non-native plants, big ick. Eryri's got it all, stunning scenery, slay. Biodiversity, making sure it hits different. We're giving nature a comeback, a peak flex. Rare species like Lilyrwyddfa, otters, living their best lives. Anything else is a red flag. We're rizzing up the ecosystem, one small step at a time. Yes, slay queen. Stay mindful and help Eryri serve.